Guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time by making a daily challenge question in lead code by me. So, welcome to my channel Logic Bytes by AK. Today, we are checking out a problem of the day, which is find the student that will replace the stock. So, the entire description explains or says that we have k pieces of charts and there are n number of students. So each student will use uh, chunk of I pieces, right? So um, the order of students is linear and it is a circular rotation of array. So at first student 0 uses 5 chunks, so we have to remove 5 pieces from total and we are left with 17, right? And for next student he uses 1 and we are left with 16. So in total we have to make a circular rotation in charts array, and whenever our k value becomes less than a required student piece of charts, we have to replace the chart, right? It means when we have k is less than the required student chart, right? So here for third student, he uses 5 charts and we are left with 0 charts, 0 pieces, right? And in student 1 need to replace k, right? K with some required pieces. So we have to return 0. So here, after doing some circular rotations, and finally we uh, student 1 uses some piece of charts and in after that we are left with the 2. So student 1 need 4, right? Which is 4, but we are left with 2. And it means the student 1 have to, I mean, student 2nd, which is in index 1, have to replace the total charts, right? So now let's go with coding part. Let's we'll have, and let's say nth student, so initially it will be 0. What we will do, we will iterate over array which when k is greater than 0, right? So we iterate up to k greater than or equal to 0. And what we have to do, we have to subtract chunk of n pieces, right? N pieces, and we have to check if n equal to chunk dot length. What we have to do, we have to make it a 0, right? And because we have to make a circular rotation. After calculating for first student, we'll calculate for next student, right? So that's chunk of n plus plus. So at last what we are left with, so if our k is equal to 0, what we have to do? Wait a minute. So return, let's say our k value is 0. What we have to do? We have to return the current index, right? Which is n. So which is chart dot length. So our k is not equal to 0. It means whenever k is not equal to 0, it might be in negative, right? So here we are left with k equal to 2 and we are at these positions. So what we will do, we decrement k by 4, but we have k as 2 and we go with k equal to minus 2, right? So k will be negative. In that case, what we have to do, we have to return n minus 1, right? So that's it. Let me just run it once. Sorry, Wait a minute. So n it will be assigned to 0. It accepted. Let me just submit the solution. Here, when a k value becomes 0, we return current index. And it goes beyond the 0, it means a negative. We have to return its previous index, right? So internet is slow. You just, yeah, it works good. So, yeah, it's not the optimal solutions. Yeah, thanks for watching. So, if you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. And if you feel the content was good, please share it to your friends. So, yeah, that's it for today. And see you in another lecture. So, thanks for watching, guys. Once again, bye.